Brunch for a 50-gin Border Collie. Time to cook for the puppy. Let's start by making a chicken leg soup. I changed the background music today, and just hearing it makes me feel better. Remove the skin from the chicken legs. Trim off a little surface fat. Set aside for later. Then cut a golden fungus. The name of today's soup is lotus root, golden fungus, and fig chicken soup. Actually, I just make up the names based on the ingredients every time. Dried figs. Add purified water and stew for 2 hours. Cut a pack of venison shoulder. It's hot now, so the meat thaws very quickly and often overthaws. Send it to be sous-vide at 65 degrees for 2 hours. Starting to prepare the meal. Blanched broccoli. Calcium citrate powder. Nutritional yeast powder. Portion out the soup. The chicken legs are stewed until the meat falls off the bone. Add some more soup to mix in the powders from earlier. Made some scrambled eggs with gorse flowers. Crushed cherry radishes. Unsweetened yogurt. Red-hearted kiwi.